As Bitcoin is approaching the $100,000 mark, there is a lot of optimism in the market. We have Mr. Manoj Dhara with us to discuss all these factors that are driving the bull run. Manoj, I think investors are very, very happy that finally Bitcoin is touching the $100,000 mark, the mark that analysts were forecasting for this year end. So I would like to ask you, what are the factors that are driving this bull run?
Actually, this is a very important question which everyone wants to understand. First of all, 1 lakh and what's the way forward? Let's understand what are the factors that are driving this bull run.
Right.
So first an important reason is the election of Mr. Trump. That is the reason why there are many pro-crypto candidates who were eyeing this this position. And Trump with being declared as the president-elect, he has promised lot of activities for the entire crypto ecosystem.
Right.
And there are measures which he has announced and that will be implemented. But still, there are a lot of optimism around how this thing is going to go forward.
Right.
The second and important reason is the supply shortage. As of now, there are less Bitcoin being mined as far as the demand is concerned. So there is a clear-cut demand and supply mismatch. We see that less than 1,000 Bitcoins are mined in a day, and with the optimism around the ETFs, the institutional flows, and the retail and the other guys are really interested in buying Bitcoins. So on an average, 5,000 to 7,000 Bitcoins every day they are purchasing. And the third and the most important factor is the ETFs crossing the $100 billion asset under management. And this is actually led by the optimism around the rate cuts, the Trump which has come in, and the pro-crypto measures will follow. And that is the only reason that is driving. Institutionals are also lapping up Bitcoins.
Right.
We also see that there are a lot of corporates such as Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy has actually accumulated roughly around 51,000 Bitcoins since the time the Trump announcement has come.
Right.
MetaPlanet, yet another company outside the US ecosystem buying Bitcoin. And there are many other players who are really interested to keep Bitcoin in their treasury holding. This is the optimism which the markets were waiting and will take it to the next level. So in short, there are many positives at this moment as we speak. The Bitcoin dominance has actually gained the 60% mark.
Right.
And we have to see that how this altcoin ecosystem is performing. Ethereum has not performed.
Right.
Only time will tell when this Ethereum rally will continue. We should take it higher. That will take the market higher to the $4 trillion.
Right, true.
It's really interesting to see the Bitcoin bull running really fast and hard. I think it's a sign of things to come as we break multiple psychological price barriers. It's going to start becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy where more people come in. As more people come in, price increases. As price increases, more people come in, and that cycle continues to keep growing until a certain logical point where other investment vehicles like Bitcoin, ETF, etc. start looking at selling those tokens and selling those Bitcoins, which I believe is at least another 5 to 8 years down the line. But it is a great time for the entire crypto ecosystem, and also multiple other alternative asset investment class seekers to really have a credible asset class that mostly seems non-correlated with world markets. So really looking forward to a bull run and a superb year 2025.
So if we have to mention, what will be those 5 top, I would say, stocks that will get impacted with this bull run?
Oh, there are many stocks and the coins that are associated with this bull run. So let's begin with first thing is Mr. Musk, and his ecosystem is having roughly around 10,000 Bitcoins. So that is the stock which is there in the limelight. And we have already seen that the Trump has promised Elon Musk and has included him in his administration. And that is the reason why the DogeCoin and the other ecosystem is playing really well in this rally. Second is the Nvidia. As we all are aware that Nvidia is an artificial intelligence stock, but Nvidia also makes the chip and the GPUs which go inside the mining ecosystem, and hence this stock is really gaining and day by day. MicroStrategy is something which is holding roughly around 330,000 odd Bitcoins. This is the stock gained 900% this year on the optimism and the Bitcoin maxi Michael Saylor, who doesn't look to stop at this moment. Coinbase is the only regulated crypto exchange in the US ecosystem, and custodians for the Bitcoin ETFs and you can say that it is the CDSL and the NSDL of the NSE and BSE, and see the stock prices of these companies. So Coinbase is the fourth thing, which you have to keep an eye on. Now Marathon Digital is a miner, and it has stopped selling its Bitcoin, and it has actually passed the resolution that they are going to lap up more Bitcoins from here on. These are the stocks and the factors which we have discussed in this today's discussion. We will bring to you more from the altcoin segment, and we will also see which altcoins are doing better fundamentally and technically both. Thank you so much for watching this segment. Thank you.